Hi, I'm Jennifer from EcoWool, and in this video, we're going to do a comparison between peat moss and raw wool pellets to see how much water they can hold. Here I have a cup of peat moss and a cup of wool pellets. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a cup of water, and we are going to see how much water is left after. So I have a cup of water here. I'm going to give the peat moss a bit of a stir to try and get some of that water in there. And I'm going to add a cup of water to the wool pellets. Going to give them a bit of a stir, and we'll come back later to see how much water each has absorbed. Some time has passed. The peat moss is going to absorb all the water it's going to. The wool pellets have absorbed all the water it's going to. Let's see how they hold up. I guess this one did a better job.